Mommy, read it.
It says, wishing you a wonderful holiday in a world of peace and beauty. Love, Uncle Porter and Aunt Dar. May the peace and happiness of the Christmas season be with you throughout the coming year. Love, Uncle Porter and Aunt Dar.
Open it. Mommy, open
Over here,
it.
Steph.
Right here. Mommy, do you know what I wanted in the basement? I wanted it. And they got this. I wanted this.
And what do you say?
Thank you, I wanted this. Thank you, I wanted this.
You happy with the candy?